Hello and welcome to the channel, and today we have a Ford Focus MK3, so from 2011 till 2015, and I want to show you how to remove the backlights, the bonnet ones, and the tailgate lights. So these are not that big a problem to remove, but these, I don't know, Ford designers, I don't know why they do that. There is a little pin over here and it's really hard. So if you're not handy enough, maybe leave that to someone that has done it a few times before. But if you have a broken one, then okay, it's no problem. So you can do it yourself. So these are the full LED. So have these three stripes over here, as you can see, and this side as well. So we're gonna start with the left one. It's a little bit harder than the right one, so let's start here. You can see press, and does go out there. And now we need to remove, so you turn this around. This one does not have, but as you can see from this side, you turn it like this, and what you have to do is take this out. So this one is a little bit broken, so doesn't matter. And here you can see that one pin, that's one, and another should be somewhere around there, but let's try with this one if it goes easy. Yeah, it goes easy. That's always a nice thing. So probably somebody did change it already, so that's a nice thing. So you just go full out. It's quite a longer one. Now let me check if there is another one or no. I'm not really sure right now, but I believe there should be two of them. So that's the one, and other one is a little bit up there. I'm not sure if I will be able to show you like this, but you have two options. One option to go with your hand inside and turn it. If it goes, that's option number one. So it's somewhere around over here. So that's the option number one. Option number two is to take this plastic out, and so this one. For that you would need to unscrew this one over here and pull it out. So maybe like that. Let's go that way so I can show you easier. So taking that one screw out here, just in case it's a smaller one. After that, so maybe start from here. I have this tool for plastics, so that's one. Just go like that, as you can see. Now you will be able to see. So that's one that you are looking for. So it's a little bit easier to access it now, but as I said, this one was not changed, so I'm gonna apply my special tools for that one. So I just need a little bit of a push. After that you turn it around, and here you go. So that's the one. Now the hardest part. Now let's see if I'm lucky or not, but see, now this goes easy, and here this pin, I feel I'm not lucky today, but let's see, maybe I even break it, or no. Oh, I was lucky, this one. So you can see the pin over here, and it goes in there. So that's, and now you just need to click over here with a screwdriver and pull this bad boy out. It's gonna be harder with one hand, so you take a screwdriver, click it over here, not too strong, and then just pull it out. So that's number one out, no damage. Lucky with this one. So other side, let's see. So again, there's this stuff over here, take that out, and this cover as well. Now that one is over here. Hard, does not wanna go. Other one, on this one there is a little bit more space. So again, special tools to start it a little. So I used my tool. You can use also a big screwdriver, that will help as well. So you can, but use the biggest one you have that can fit in here. So let's see the location of that one. It's gonna be, so I'm not sure if I will be able to show you from this side, but turn it around. Let me try to show you where it is. So over there, it's a little bit up, same, almost the same position as that one. So yeah, that's the one. I'm gonna prepare for the worst, hope for the best, and let's see. Again, special tools, plastic one. Let's try. I was lucky once again, so the pin is, yeah, just right over here, and it goes in this hole. Again, now only need to do is take this bad boy, so screwdriver over here a little bit. So I push a little bit with the screwdriver over here and gently pull out like that. So number 2 out, no damage. Again, that's always a nice thing. And now we're gonna use your screwdriver over here. So you wanna click that plastic out. And here you have one plug. So that's one plug. You unplug it, just click it over here, and that's one. Oh, this one goes a little bit, but still I'm gonna use my special tools. So it goes a little bit easier. So this one has just this one, but there is also a pin, I believe, when you close it up. So now I close down that bonnet, tailgate, and we'll see if it's really hard stuck or not. But as you can hear, this might give a little bit of problems, but nothing plastic tool can't fix. So let's see. Here is that pin, don't know if you're gonna see, but here it is, that one little pin. So that's the one that's holding it. So I was lucky with this one as well. I'm gonna put it down there. And now we take this one as well. So same process as that other one. You take that plastic cover out. Electricity, and after that you just turn this bad boy around. I'm gonna use my I find this way more easier like this. So turn it around. Most easy way to do. And now I'm gonna prepare my plastic tools just in case. So this one, I have this for very long time, and it did the job for me more than once. So let's see. I'm gonna start somewhere over here. Nice. And now the hard part is to unclip it over here. Need to find the sweet spot. So not the most easy thing to do, but did manage to take it out. So yeah, tell me in comments, do you have anything else that you would like me to show? And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you next one. So till next one, see ya.